Electronic waste, or e-waste, is the fastest growing kind of trash in America. It's a sleeping giant, and it's going to be trouble when we wake up to it.
And lots of the old electronics are getting trashed. The EPA estimates that 2 million tons of electronics a year end up in landfills. That's equivalent to the weight of some 10 Sears towers and everything in them.
In Korea, more than 15 million mobiles are thrown away each year, and millions more other electronic goods meet the same fate. The city of Guangzhou, China. Huge piles of dumped electronic goods. The city looks like a huge refuse dump. The environment's getting worse. You can see the rubbish anywhere. It's like a trash castle.
That e-waste is the fastest growing waste stream in South Africa already.
Computers, cell phones, and other electronic devices are a huge part of modern life. Unfortunately, they're also responsible for about 70% of the highly toxic heavy metals found in our landfills. Those toxins contaminate our soil and groundwater, causing cancer, damaging kidneys, the nervous system, and reproductive organs.
Not recycling these products poses serious risks in the air we breathe and water we drink. Older products in particular contain toxins such as mercury, lead, and cadmium. Even in very small quantities, they have been known to cause birth defects and kidney damage.
Contamination onto food and things like that can actually ingest these chemicals. Some of the other organic chemicals present not very persistent in the environment. They can accumulate in human bodies and also have a range of toxic effects. Metals like lead and mercury are particularly toxic to the nervous system, primarily on the developing nervous system in children, and effects have been seen even at low levels, things like affecting the IQ of children. Heavy metals like cadmium are toxic to the kidneys, and the effects will accumulate over time with ongoing exposures. The organic chemicals we've found, many of them are bioaccumulative. They will build up in human tissues, and many have been linked with effects on the hormone system and other neurological impacts. Once they're in the environment, they do break down very slowly, and it would be extremely difficult to actually start remediating a whole area.
Recycling your old electronics is more than just a good idea. It's one of the only ways to keep your aging products from contaminating the environment. And if you're not careful, the products you think you're recycling could end up as toxic e-waste.
They need to be crushed down in a protected environment. It needs to be separated out. Glass needs to be separated out from the rest of the material in here, which are plastics.